Have you ever felt like that you had to have like thousands of followers in order to be able to make money on YouTube? Well, friends, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to have a huge following in order to have success on YouTube. So today, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that are beginner friendly that you can go in and you can create income as a beginner on YouTube and understand you don't have to have a lot of followings. Well, if you don't know me, my friends, my name is Christy Keeter, and I walked into the digital space unknowing whatever was going to go on. And I came in and I decided I was going to find a solution for beginners and start building on that. And so I have a community called Building Digitally with Christy. It's on the school platform. It's down below linked. I invite you to come join me. It's free. And it's going to go on into a lot more than what I'm going to go into today. But I want to share with you the ways that you can get started. There's 5 different ways that I'm going to explain to you today. And I want to go in and I want to share with you what each one of them are. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a mini series and explain a little bit more in depth. So be sure and follow me and be sure and click that subscribe button below and look for my other videos because I'm going to go more in depth with those. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. A lot of people have heard about affiliate marketing, but a lot of people just shy away because the last word is marketing. And I want to encourage you this, friends, stay connected because marketing is worldwide. That's what we do just to survive in the world, not only individual entrepreneurs, but every business in the world depends on marketing. That is what keeps us afloat. So affiliate marketing is as simple as this. It's probably where you're going to get your fastest money coming in because it's the easiest route to go to. How many of you have ever gone to a restaurant and in that restaurant you have gone in and you've recommended a dish that you had because it was just amazing, but you didn't get paid for it, my friend? Affiliate marketing is recommending something to someone that you truly like, you truly love, or you truly use on a daily basis or weekly or monthly, but you use that product and you recommend it to other people. So what is affiliate marketing and who has affiliate marketing? If you really understand what affiliate marketing is, there's so many people out there, even creators have affiliate links. So Walmart, Target, all your major stores are going to have affiliate links. All you have to do is just Google them and then go down to the bottom and apply for the affiliate link. Amazon has affiliate link. TikTok has affiliate links. There's so many companies that do have affiliate links. So that is something I suggest if you're ready just to kind of get your feet wet, then affiliate marketing is that way. But like I said, friends, understand. Number 1, you have to promote something that you like because you want to get that trust built with other people. If it doesn't work for you, don't promote it just to make that commission. Number 2, digital products. This is where I came in and I absolutely love it because digital products, you can get 100% profit right back to you. So number 1 is this. On digital products, you can create your own. Number 2, you can go out and you can buy a program or a course that's already completely done for you that you can get profit from. So I want to encourage you, digital products are going to be everything. Because think about this. You have kids right now that are in school or grandkids that are in school that use digital products all the time. They bring home their tablet or their laptop, and everything that they do during the day at school is digitally because that's the way our world has gone, is through digital products. You can have a PDF, you can have a guide, you can create a calendar, you can create a workbook step by step through a digital product. And all the thing is people will have your link and you can just trade it back and forth. So that is digital. And so if you're ready to go digital, let me know and I can help you because I have so many free guides to building digitally, and it will teach you step by step how to even create a guide, but more importantly, how to share a guide. Number 3 is coaching. How many of you are going to go, whoa, there's no way I would get out and I would coach anybody. What have I got to offer? Friends, you have so much to offer that you don't even realize it. So, are you a handyman or a handy woman and you do things in a way that it's just natural to you? There's people out there that would pay you to understand how to do that. Then think of it as another way. Number 2 of coaching is you've learned a task. You've learned that skill for the last 6 months, the last year, the last 2 years, and you can go in and you can coach people where you were 6 months ago or a year ago or 2 years ago, and you can encourage them to get where you are today through coaching. And coaching can be as simple as a 30-minute session with someone on a Zoom, or if you're in a school platform like I am, then you can do a call, you can do a webinar at school. Everything that you need to do your coaching with is on the platform in school. You don't have to have another platform for that. So coaching is that. Number 4 brings me down to community. Everybody wants to be joined into something, and everybody wants to be connected. When COVID hit, it separated the world, and people just want to feel belonged. People want to feel understood, and people just want clarity of really what the world is going to right now. So community is where it all happens. And I invite you to come on the link below to my community. It's called Building Digitally with Christy. It is on the school platform. And I want you to understand this, my friend. You want to have a community that you own, that you can control, that nobody will take away from you. Social media platforms are great for communicating back and forth with other people and get to know people, but you don't own Facebook. You don't own Instagram. You don't own TikTok. You don't own Pinterest. You don't own any of those platforms. So don't create a community on those platforms only to get shut down. And I want to encourage you this. When you get a platform, go into something that's stable. Go into something that is already proven to work. And the school community is the most amazing thing ever. And they just keep going in and upgrading and upgrading and upgrading all of the amazing things on school. And so it's just a place where you can connect, but it's also a place where you can have everything all in one place. So I want to encourage you this, friends. If you have and you want to start a community, get a community on a platform that's already established, that's already there, that's already proven, because this is something I really want to sink in with you. There's all kinds of platforms out there that you can use. Find one that's proven. Find one that you can brand you with. Find one that you know that whenever people are searching for you, it's going to pull you back to that platform that you're on. Yes, I'm on all the social media platforms out there. You can Google me and it gives you all of my links out there that I'm on. So I just want you to understand the logistics of where you are and where you want to get set up. I love school. School is so important to understand that they're only in like the hundreds of thousands of people right now having different communities in there, but they're growing so fast and they will be up into the billions soon with people because it's going to be a platform that everybody's going to go to. So why not get in now and understand you can get your school established and your community established in school and go forward. So in the bottom link, I have a free trial to school, and it's 14 days, and you can get that, and you can create your own school community. But importantly, I want to get you to understand this. Come join my community first. See what it's all about. Then if you're wanting to start your own community through digital products, through coaching, through connection, then use the 14 days, because I can teach you in my community how to build a community effectively with clarity and confidence, so that in the first 14 days, you're getting your school built. But you're also having that built before you have any expenses come out for having your own community on the school platform. There's two different options on the school platform, and I will go into those a little bit deeper and later too. The fifth and final thing I want to encourage you about is this. It's called ecosystem. Building your own ecosystem. This is a simple path, my friend, to time freedom. And when you build your own ecosystem, what you're doing is you're putting all of the pieces together. You're doing affiliate marketing, you're doing digital marketing, you're doing coaching, you're doing your community, but it's all in one hub in your ecosystem. Everything builds on everything. And whenever you're a beginner and you start off with the first thing and you build to the second and you build to the third, you build to the fourth and you get to the fifth, that's time freedom, my friend. And I can show you how to do all of this in a step-by-step guide. And it's free. You can get the information for free. Just come join my community, because I have everything in there. I go in and I do daily motivations. And the beginning of this year, we're going to start doing workshops where you can come and join step-by-step workshops for free. If you want to VIP to get all of the information, you can do that. But I want to encourage you. There's people out there that want to pour into you, and they will give you value for free. Are you ready to accept it? So I'm not for sure which one that you want to start with, but in the comments below, comment either 1, affiliate marketing, 2, digital products, 3, coaching, 4, your community, or 5, your ecosystem. Where do you want to start in this? Let me help guide you through that journey, because friends, I can tell you, working remotely instead of having that 9-to-5 job is absolutely amazing. Whenever my husband asked me not to re-sign my contract, just come home, I was like, I can't just come home. I will be bored to death. And I just wanted to find something that would replace my teaching salary. And I found something and more. So come in and understand that you can start little. You can start with the unknown. You can get the clarity and you can get the confidence that you need to know to move forward. My friends, I'm so excited that you're here. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. Be sure and like, be sure and comment. Give me some feedback on this video, because there's other beginners out there that need to see this as well. And the only way we can do that is to keep promoting it up to other people. So I enjoyed being with you today. Stay tuned, because I'm going to start doing my series, and I'm just encourage you. You've got everything you need inside of you to build whatever you want to build. Have the faith to step out just like I did and explore the options. But if you want to come explore with me in Building Digitally with Christy, I have everything listed for you, so you don't have to go out and get all of those other things out there. See you soon, my friend.